So with this whole turmoil that's going on, you know, in trading circles, they say follow the money, right? And while, you know, protests are going on, injustice is being meted out to people that look like myself, there are still people making money on the stock market because of it, as a direct result of it, I would argue. On my screen here, I have 5 stock charts up, right? And it ranges from gun companies to security camera, body cam companies, and we're going to just examine how all these stocks shot up between June 1st and June 2nd. Let's dive right in. So the first stock we have here is image sensing systems, right? Industrials, Minnesota. What's this company? What do they do? So, Image Sensing Systems Incorporated, engaging in the development and marketing of video and radar imaging processing products used in traffic applications such as intersection control, highway, bridge, and tunnel traffic management, and traffic data collection. It operates through the intersection and highway business segments. The intersection segment comprises sale of machine vision product line, video products, international products, and royalties. The highway segment consists of radar product lines sold domestically and internationally. The company was founded by Panos G. Mechanopolis, or something like that, whatever the hell that is, in 1984, and it's headquartered in Minneapolis, St. Paul, Minneapolis, right? So the current CEO, Chad, employees. This information is incidental. We don't care about it necessarily. We just care about what the company makes, right? So we know that they make cameras, stoplights, security cameras in highways. So a lot of the protests that are going on are being captured by products that this company makes. Anyway, so I'm looking at a weekly chart, a weekly chart here. So we're specific in what we're examining. So we can see, nothing too spectacular. This is a penny stock, really. Who cares, right? Someone cares, because if you look at the bottom of your screen, so it says Monday, June 1st, right, at 9:30 a.m., beginning of the trading day. It's made a huge spike here, right? So we're trading down here at about, what is that? Like $3.94 a share, right? And at the beginning of the trading day, on June 1st, it shot all the way up to almost $5, right? So it may sound like a lot. It may sound like it's not a lot of money, but when you think about the ability to purchase in bulk, right, large quantities, so you're not just buying one share or two. You're talking about tens of thousands of shares are being traded, if not hundreds of thousands of shares are being traded. That's where the money is, right? So if they can make $2 on every share, and you have 300, 400,000 shares of this company, you're going to make some money. Fine. It's just the nature of the market. That's how it works. What I'm examining, just to reiterate real quick, is whatever is going on within that given society, right? Money will be made by the informed few, regardless of what's going on, right? And if you keep in mind that economics is power, right? Even on the dollar bill, it says, "In God we trust." What God? Is it God, the physical note? I don't know. I digress. So let's move on to the next stock here. So we have Smith and Wesson brands, right? And I should say we're still in open market right now, so stocks are still moving up and down, as you can see from your screen there. You know, Smith and Wesson's bouncing between 15.30 and 15.29. So it's an active marketplace. The market closes at about 4 here in the U.S. So Smith and Wesson, if you don't know, Smith and Wesson Brands Incorporated, it's a common stock, which means that anyone can purchase it. Also called the Smith and Wesson Brands, is a holding company which enables, which engage. Sorry, I have dyslexia. Which engages in the manufacturing, design, and provision of firearms. Right. So this essentially is a company that makes guns. A hot commodity right now, for obvious reasons. So let's expand the chart here. And again, we're looking at a week view. So now we see flatlining, then a big fall off, right? So again, whether the market goes downwards or it goes upwards, people are making serious money. That's just the nature of the market. So you can see on the 29th, which is the last day of May, a huge sell-off, right? So a lot of people made money selling off this stock, right? Traders specifically. Then June 1st, right? So it's trading steadily on June 1st. Nothing crazy, but money is being made, but nothing too crazy. Then just before the market closes, we have this huge spike. As you can see, this spike happened Monday, June 1st at 350. Massive jump right here, right? Massive jump. Then small sell-off, nothing to talk about. And on June 1st, it spiked even higher. So currently, as you can see, it's trading at 15.24, right, on the open markets. Coming from, what is this? A low of like 13 bucks, right? It shot up. So again, don't think about the fact that, oh, it's only $2 or whatever it is. Think in terms of bulk, right? So money's being made, basically, essentially. Another company here, we have Exxon, right? Now, this company develops and manufactures electric weapons for personal defense. So, tasers, right? Software and sensor segments. Let's read some more. The taser weapons segment sells conducted electronic weapons, accessories, and other related products and services. The software and sensors segment includes devices, wearables, wearable application, cloud, mobile products. The company was founded by that guy in '93, right? Arizona, right? A market cap of $5.73 billion. So let's go back. Let's expand this, right? Again, we see the spike, right? This is what we're observing. This is what's important, right, to an active trader. And all of these companies, like I said before, are companies that have something to do with selling products, right, when there's chaos, right? And in chaos, when there's blood in the streets, people make a killing. That's how the market works. So again, So as we can see on June 1st, right, we see a huge spike here from this company. Boom. Right? And it's been doing great ever since. On June 2nd, still riding high. So now it's being sold at, it's bouncing around between 98, 97 bucks right now. Right? From a low of 75 bucks down here. Right? Or even lower if you really want to go back to May 27th, which was just last Wednesday. It was $71.18 or 59 cents. 71.59 at the low, and at the high point, which is current price, it's 98.59. Right? This is active. So 97.84, bouncing around that number. So again, driving this point home again. Let's look at another stock, Digital Alley, right? A penny stock, but people are making money, right? So Digital Alley Incorporated engages in design, manufacture, and sale of digital audio, video recording, and speed detection devices, right? So stuff that cops and security forces use. Another company, another penny stock company, but company nevertheless. You can see a massive jump here, right? So down here, this stock was trading below $1, so less than $1, right? And all of a sudden, on what is this? On Friday, right? Just before closing again, note the time, 3:50 again, a massive jump. Massive, right? So some folks made some serious money at this point, right? It bounced all the way up to $2.53, right? Coming from a low of less than $1, right? At its height, it went to 263, coming from a low of less than $1, right? So money was made here once again. This is a body cam company. Let's look at our final stock chart here. Vista Outdoors Incorporated engages in design, manufacture, and the marketing of consumer products in the outdoor sports and recreation markets. It operates through the following segments: shooting and outdoor products. So shooting sports, which, you know, could be hunting, people that go to ranges and engage in that kind of thing. They make products for that particular market, right? As well as camping, action sports, archery. I saw a video where a guy actually literally shot someone with a bow and arrow during a protest. So products like this, they seem to be doing well. Let's expand it. Let's look at let's look at what it's been doing recently. So we're looking at, again, weekly, right? You know, trading fairly well. Not really a penny stock because it's above $5. So it's trading around $9 down here, right? Coming from even a low of, what's that? Maybe like 8.55, 8.60, bouncing around down there. A gradual rise, but we're just looking at the spikes, right? The massive jumps that these stocks make when these atrocities start happening, right? June 1st, the Monday, stock shot up to $11.55, right? Again, what is the point of this video? The point of the video is to say that when there's blood in the streets, you know, people are making money. It's a very dark time for all of us, but at the end of it, economics is a key factor in the struggle for equality, right? So I'm just here showing a method of how to look for stocks in times of turmoil, which I think is beneficial. You know, the revolution needs funding, right? And the market is there. The open markets are there. So yeah, so just reiterate, thanks for watching Reggie Plus. We've been looking at a few active stocks here that have been trading and trending upwards during this unrest, right? Anyway, I'm going to wrap it up here. Thank you for watching Reggie Plus again. Stay tuned for more interesting videos. And please leave a comment, share, like, especially share. We need to get as much folks informed about the stock market as possible, because it's there. It's not just for the rich and powerful and so on. Anyone can take advantage. You just need the information. And I'm here to do just that with my channel here, to inform you of how to get in and how to take advantage. Peace.